Left in the dark, I was holding my breath, searching for signs in the silence you left.